Well, good morning. It is roughly 8 o'clock in the morning. Kevin has just arrived and he still has his riding kit on. So we're going to roll this bike out and do a test ride. I expect we should just go ahead and start her right here.
Yep.
All right, kick her over. It's a cold start. I haven't touched the bike. I haven't started the bike since it came in. I've just replaced the front sprocket. You know, oh, it has a little.
All right, it starts.
You want to start it now? You want to take it
Now
outside?
let's get it turned around. And
Okay. Let's see if it starts right up again. That's breaking up pretty good there. All right, that sounds pretty bad. I'm going to check the pilot jet when it comes back. Okay, now, it sounded rough.
it cleared up. It just, we had the same problem before. It takes a little while for this thing to warm up.
Okay, do you think we should clean the pilot and try again?
I'd say clean the pilot, but it was fine. By the time I was coming home, coming back here, she was accelerating fine. It was almost like there was some bad gas. It just takes a while for it to warm up.
I'll be darned, okay.
Yeah, and we had that problem before.
We had that problem the last time it was here.
I remember with this bike, it
warms up.
Same exact thing. At first start, and then after a while, oh, okay, I'm happy now.
All right, so you're ready to let it go?
Absolutely.
Okay, Kevin says that by the time he got to the end of the block and around the corner, the bike smoothed out beautifully and went just great on the rest of the test ride. I'm just going to chalk that up to a slow to warm up bike. If it becomes a problem for the client, we will invite him back and do some jetting on the carb, maybe check things out like that. But we'll see. That would be gratis under warranty if it becomes a bother. So what's over here? We had the 441 Victor up on the lift, and we've got all these parts. Look at all these brand new parts. This is just lovely. I've got gasket chain. Oh, isn't this a work of art? Isn't this just beautiful? I mean, this is something that makes you feel good to fondle and feel it. Wow. New plates, new springs, new sprocket, oil seals. We're going to install the tranny and main shaft and trap door. These we will just put aside as future use for the next 441 that comes in. And over here we got all the old stuff. The joy of the magnet, keeping track of everything for us. And this ought to go together rather quickly.